Hi, this is Harry Donahue again from the Friends of Philadelphia Trolleys. Back in May or June, we brought you up to date on Red Arrow car 73. And I'm going to turn this over to CJ and Aiden, two young members of the Pennsylvania Trolley Museum who have been working steadily all summer on Red Arrow 73. They'll tell you what
we had a couple work sessions come in with this car over the summer. Which you can see probably from the last video, there's a lot of work that's been done. We've taken out the headliner and the ceiling. We've taken out the fare exchange rod, all of the seats. We did some wood stripping around the sides. We took and all of our seats are in the side building over there. We painted and put boiled linseed oil on the floor and primer down. It'll have to get redone, and Aiden's been doing some work as well.
Yeah, on the sides of the car we cut out pieces that we thought were rusted through, and there were some T-posts that were rusted through, and we did that on this side of the car and one on this side. And then on this side of the car we cut out another rust hole, and I ended up welding a piece of metal onto it to fix it, and that was basically what I did to this car. And I also contributed with the headliner and getting the conductor's bar out, and yeah.
Right now we're getting ready to take a look at the wiring for the lights, and we have markings made up on the roof for what roof boards need cut away, and we have a couple people working making roof cleats and all that other fun stuff as well. And progress is happening. It's being made.
Thanks to CJ and Aiden, a lot of work's been done on this car this summer. A lot of other things have happened too. If you remember last spring when we did our first video on car 73, we said we were going to take over raising the money for the seats. There were 28 seats. We needed $7,000. Well, since that video, thanks to your generosity, $4,000 has come in. That's 16 out of the 28 seats. We have the money. We need 12 more donors. So if you would like to donate to a seat, they're $250 a piece. If you can't handle $250, that's fine. Even $25, $35, $45, it all goes into this car. Remember, the goal here is we'll have a 2-car Red Arrow center door train. And thanks for your generosity.